Wham, bam, Teslacam. I hope you're satisfied.
Andrew had left his Model 3 charging in a mall parking lot in Santa Ana, California when this happened. First, we see somebody approaching and moving over to Andrew's Tesla. They frantically pull the handle to see if the car is unlocked and try to get the door open. Unsuccessful, they proceed to look at what's inside the car. Luckily, mall security arrived to intervene. Andrew reviewed the Sentry Mode footage when he got back to his car. After watching it, he headed over to the mall security office and asked what had happened. Security told him that there had been a man that claimed it was his boyfriend's car and that he was waiting for him to come pick him up. This didn't fool the security guard, as they had seen Andrew's car before, and it's not common to get picked up by a parked and charging car.